Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to show you how to create your own stock watch list and portfolio tracker dashboard using free and open source Python packages. At first, I would like to tell you I am not recommending any stock trading like for selling or buying any particular stock. This is just I would like to show you instead of buying any expensive subscription for your own stock portfolio tracking or analysis, this would be like your local dashboard that you can maintain, you can check. So for that kind of setup, we need some particular Python packages which I have already mentioned in this Google Doc. I will try to upload this script that I have created. It is completely no code and I took Claude AI help based on my requirements. I will upload that scripts in GitHub, and both this Google Doc and this script I am going to upload in this YouTube video descriptions. These are the Python packages that we need to install. Either you can create your own virtual environments, or if you don't mind risking your system, you can use break system packages to install these packages. And this is the scripts. The command that we need to run is like a Python Streamlit and run app.py. You can create your own alias also. That alias, you put some alias name is like a stock, so that from the terminal, if you just write down stock, this dashboard automatically going to start it. So let's see in action how does it work. In my terminal, as I mentioned you before, I have created one alias, and this is my alias that I have created. So now in the terminal, if I just write down a stock, it will create and open this dashboard. As a placeholder, for now I have just mentioned 4 stock. Ticker name here, you can see multiple things from here. Out of these 4 stock, how many stocks are top gainer or top loser in a particular day. Say for today, out of 4 there are 3 gainer and 1 loser. You can see the complete watch list, 5 days changes, 30-day changes, and what is the trend look like. And if you want to see a little bit more deeper, it will show you the overall trend per ticker, where you can filter it out how it's showing or performing over the period of 30 days. You can make those changes in the scripts already, like okay, instead of 30 day, if I can check for 90 days or 6 months, like that. So this is the one tab, then it can show all the necessary information that we are looking for a particular stocks. Then you can go ahead and update your own personal holding. Say for example, you have some brokerage account. So in the brokerage account, you kind of holding and you buy. So you can update that and keep a track of that. At the year end, you can see how much profit or loss you have, so that it will helpful for you for the tax submission purposes. For example, I would like to say I have a holding for one Apple stock and I have 1 shares, and my buy price for example is $305, and I have bought it on say yesterday, which is August 3rd. If I add these holdings, so it will show you in your current holding, this is the stock and you already have some profit of $4 considering today's date. Now say for example, I would like to sell it, so you can add your sell amount and automatically show you that what is the profit or gain or for your tax purpose. But say for example, now you add that entry mistakenly, so you can remove that entry as well. Say for example, I want to remove this entry, like I mistakenly added or I need to update it. So you can go ahead and remove this entry and you can add it back again. Let's see one complete transaction. Say for example, I want to buy Apple once again and 1 share, and say I bought it on 305 yesterday and add it to my holding. Now say I have sold it today, for example on 310 for example, and the sell date is 4, and then add sell or remove. You can see in the year of 2026 you have as of now total realized gain of $5, and you can see the full sold history log as well. Or if you want to delete this entry, say you did that mistakenly or you don't want to keep a track, so in that case you can go ahead and remove it as well from your sold entry as well. So this way, by using open and free tools, you can check your own portfolios or track your own portfolios. And I have one future task that I'm going to make a change as well in the current scripts, like if in my holdings, if there are any stock and if goes up or down in certain limit that I set, so that it can send me email or chat notifications. My current holding, for example Apple, it goes down 5%, it will remind me or send me and push notifications. Moreover, there are a lot of APIs as well that which can go ahead and do that buying and selling in your broker's account if you use the certain APIs. But I'm not inclined to use those type of APIs because sometimes it might go ahead and sell your stock. I would rather prefer to be more comfortable to do those selling or buying using our own own brokerage system manually instead of using any APIs. I hope this information is helpful to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.